Episode 3.2 Internal Creation or External Acquisition of an AI Chatbot. Caption in other languages are available. Introduction. When implementing a chatbot for sales and customer engagement, businesses must decide whether to develop one internally or acquire a pre-built solution from an external provider. Each approach has its advantages and challenges, and the decision depends on factors like budget, technical expertise, and long-term business goals. Let's explore both options to help you determine the best approach for your business. Option 1. Internal creation of a chatbot. Building an in-house chatbot gives businesses complete control over customization and integration. However, it requires significant investment in time, technical resources, and expertise. Key steps for internal creation. 1. Define the use case and objectives. Identify the chatbot's purpose, such as lead generation, customer support, or sales assistance. Align its objectives with your overall business strategy. 2. Choose the right development platform. Select a chatbot framework based on your needs. Dialogflow, Google, for advanced AI capabilities. Microsoft Bot Framework, for businesses using Microsoft services. Rasa, open source, for full customization. Amazon Lex, for businesses leveraging AWS. 3. Train the AI model. Gather and use historical customer data, FAQs, and product details. Train the chatbot to understand queries and generate accurate responses. 4. Integrate with business systems. Ensure seamless integration with your CRM, sales platforms, and customer support tools. 5. Design a smooth user experience. Build natural conversational flows. Include fallback options and allow human intervention when necessary. 6. Ensure continuous learning. Implement a feedback loop to refine responses and improve performance over time. 7. Maintain security and compliance. Follow data privacy laws like GDPR or CCPA. Ensure customer data is securely stored and processed. Benefits of internal creation. Full control over features, branding, and customization. Scalable as business needs evolve. No dependency on external vendors. Challenges of internal creation. High development costs and longer time to launch. Requires ongoing maintenance and AI training. Option 2. Acquisition from external sources. Purchasing or subscribing to a chatbot from a third-party provider is a faster, cost-effective solution. While it may offer less customization, it provides instant access to AI capabilities without requiring technical expertise. Key steps for external acquisition. 1. Identify the right vendor. Evaluate chatbot providers based on cost, features, and integrations. Popular vendors include Intercom, AI-powered chat for sales and support. Drift, conversational marketing and automation. Tidio, affordable chatbot for SMBs. LivePerson, AI chat solutions for enterprises. ManyChat, specialized in social media chatbots. 2. Assess features and integrations. Look for multi-channel support, website, social media, messaging apps. Check for CRM and e-commerce integrations. 3. Customize and configure. Tailor the chatbot's responses, branding, and language settings. Train the chatbot using company-specific data. 4. Deploy and scale. Most vendors offer quick setup and easy scalability. 5. Ensure ongoing support and updates. Take advantage of vendor support for troubleshooting and feature updates. Benefits of external acquisition. Faster deployment with minimal technical effort. Lower upfront costs compared to custom development. Vendors provide technical support and maintenance. Challenges of external acquisition. Limited customization and flexibility. Data security and ownership concerns. Potential vendor lock-in, making it harder to switch platforms later. Comparison, internal versus external chatbot development. 1. Customization. Internal creation, fully customizable. External acquisition, limited to vendor features. 2. Development time. Internal creation requires months of development. External acquisition can be deployed in days or weeks. 3. Cost. Internal creation, high initial investment. External acquisition, lower upfront cost, typically subscription-based. 4. Integration. Internal creation, seamless integration with in-house systems. External acquisition, integration depends on vendor capabilities. 5. Technical expertise. Internal creation requires AI and development skills. External acquisition, no in-house expertise needed. 6. Maintenance. Internal creation, managed by the internal team. External acquisition, vendor provides support and updates. Conclusion. Internal creation is best for businesses that require highly customized solutions and have the technical resources to develop and maintain their own chatbot. External acquisition is ideal for SMBs looking for a quick, cost-effective solution that automates customer interactions with minimal effort. Both approaches offer unique advantages, and the right choice depends on your company's strategy, budget, and technical capabilities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on AI-driven sales and customer engagement. See you in the next episode. On behalf of the article's creator, thank you for joining us today. To dive deeper into this topic, revisit this broadcast and listen twice for better understanding. Don't forget to check out the full article, the link, pathsinstitute.com. Until next time, stay curious and keep growing.